for historian.
Our public relations is Shane Yang.
Next up, we got for activity coordinator, Miss Maya Shone.
And for our secretary, Yang Kong Yang.
And for special treasurer, Miss Bonia Bang.
And our vice president, Dong Lo.
And introducing for Madam Lovely, Miss Tiffany Hurd.
First off, we want to thank everyone for coming out tonight. We worked, not just the team, but as well as our HSA members worked really hard today for all performances and also to bring awareness of our culture. I would like to have our two advisors, Jessica Vang and Malaya Abed, come up here. So Jessica Vang, she currently started advising with us this year. She is part of the international program here on campus. She is also a UNC Charlotte alumna and as well as HSA alumna. Would you like to speak a little bit?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening. So as Tiffany said, my name is Jessica Vang. I am the Student Services Coordinator at the English Language Training Institute. We are housed within the Office of International Programs here at UNC Charlotte. So some of my primary roles currently are international student advising and program management. I've been in this position for the past 4 years now, going on 5 soon. But as far as my role as their on-campus advisor, I'm very happy to be back, serving the organization in a different way, this time as their advisor. As Tiffany said, I was also once a member of this organization when I was a student here several years ago, and I also served on the executive team. So it's good to be back and to see the organization continue to grow in numbers and in strengths. We didn't have Hmong Awareness Night during my time, so I'm happy to be standing here tonight and to see the organization do such a wonderful job.
Next up is Malaya Abed. She is our off-campus advisor. She's been with us for a couple years now. With her, she helps us connect with the Charlotte area, such as internships and jobs and just opportunities to reach out.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? Good. You should be excited after that performance, so how are you doing? Good. Much better, it makes us easier up here too. I'm just going to take a bit longer than Jessica, only because, let me correct. I've been here, you guys said your HSA's been on campus now 16 years, right? I've been there advising since 2004, so it's a very long time now. So from my perspective, I'll share a few things actually. How I really began, I came here to UNC Charlotte the last 2 years of undergrad, so I came from the West Coast, came out here. Then when I did grad school, that's when I met some of the Hmong students. I was interning downtown somewhere, and there was another student interning as well. She asked me to be the campus way back then, and I was only a grad student, right? Then I worked for the university. This is how wonderful it is, and I'll go through maybe just a little bit of stages. I then left because, I was a grad student, left, went to live in DC, came back again, and then they're like, well, now I'm not on campus anymore, but they opened up and created the position of an off-campus co-advisor, just so that I can continue to be part of this community. So then I also moved again in like 2010 to the West Coast. I'm like way out in San Francisco. Same thing, kept me as a co-advisor. I came back here again now. I'm officially here. I have 2 kids here now, so I'm here. But this is the length of time. What has been very beautiful through all this journey, the growth. Like each and everyone up here, these are your officers now. Jessica has seen me as an advisor. I've seen her as a student, and now she's here working. She's now advising. Same thing with the other members who from 2004, 2005, 2006, I mean, all the way back then. I'm still in touch with them. I see them.